Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the fascinating world of English one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and today we're exploring a powerful word that can really make a difference in how you express your beliefs and opinions. The word of the day is advocate. Advocate is a C1 level verb that means to support or argue for a cause. When you advocate for something, you actively speak up, defend, or promote an idea, policy, or belief. It's all about taking a stand for something you feel strongly about. For example, you might say, she advocates for equal rights in her community, or he is known for advocating environmental protection. There are some great synonyms for advocate that can help you add variety to your vocabulary. Words like support, champion, endorse, or promote can be used in similar ways. For example, they champion the rights of underrepresented groups, or we need to endorse policies that help address climate change. On the other hand, antonyms of advocate include words like oppose, protest, or reject, which carry the opposite meaning. For instance, he opposes the new law because he believes it is unfair, or they reject the proposal as it conflicts with their principles. In everyday life, you might use advocate when talking about causes you care about or issues you're passionate about. For example, I always advocate for more flexible work schedules in our office, or it's important to advocate for yourself when discussing your goals with your manager. The word is also common in professional or academic contexts where you might say, this report advocates for more investment in renewable energy. Here are a few more sentences to help you get familiar with advocate. Teachers often advocate for additional resources to help their students succeed. As a lawyer, her role is to advocate for her clients in court. The organization advocates for animal rights through awareness campaigns and lobbying efforts. That's all for today's exploration of the word advocate. I hope you feel confident using it in your own conversations and writing. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. It really helps others discover the show. I'd love to hear from you too. Try creating your own sentence using advocate and share it in the comments. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.